Hi, Banana Slugs. My name is Tiffany, and welcome to Understanding Your UCSC Bill, a tutorial. So I explained in a previous video that one of the financial responsibilities that you and other UCSC students share is that you need to make sure that your bills for tuition and fees are paid on time. But before you ever pay a bill, it's really important to know how to read a bill. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to cover a little bit about UCSC's billing process so you'll know when a bill is ready to view and pay. Some of the things that you might find on your bill, like charges for tuition or estimates of financial aid, how to know when to pay the bill, and some other resources to help you along the way. Ready? Let's go. Before the start of each quarter, Student Business Services, also known as SBS, creates billing statements or bills for payments and charges posted to your financial account in MyUCSC. Posted is just another way of saying that new information has been added to your account. And once a bill has been posted, you'll be able to review it through your MyUCSC portal. UCSC doesn't print and mail your bills. They're only available online through the MyUCSC portal, so don't expect to get your bill in the mail. Once your bill is posted, you'll receive emails to let you know that a new bill is ready to view. You can also set up SMS alerts in UCSC eBill ePay to get text alerts for new bills. By the way, no one but you is allowed to view and pay your UCSC bills until you send them an invitation first. There are two general types of bills. The quarterly bills include charges for things like tuition, campus and student services fees, on-campus housing, your meal plan, and UC Ship health insurance if you have that. If past due charges from a previous bill haven't been paid yet, they'll be added to the new bill. And if you're receiving financial aid, you'll see estimated aid amounts that you may be eligible for. You also might receive monthly bills that can include miscellaneous charges for things like printing, health center visits, and other costs associated with college life. Past due charges can also appear on monthly bills, and new bills are created only when there's money owed on your account, so you might not have a bill every month. When you receive an email or a text message about a new bill, log into the MyUCSC portal, tap the My Account $ tile, choose Billing Statements in the sidebar, and tap the dated link to see the bill. You can also see a different layout of your bills here. Just tap the UCSC eBill ePay link in the sidebar, and then tap the Make a Payment button to access eBill ePay. From there, choose Statements from the menu and tap the dated link of your bill you want to see. Here's a sample of a bill from the UCSC eBill ePay site. I happen to prefer this layout better than the one that is in My Account $, so that's the one we're going to look at. At the top, we have the statement date, or the date the bill was posted to your account, and the payment due date shown here as the late due date. Then there's the amount due, or the balance on your account on the date the bill was created, and the account number, which is the same as your student ID number. Further down the bill, if you have an unpaid balance from a previous bill, it will appear in the charges column right here. Next are charges and adjustments for various fees and charges you're expected to pay, and credits for charges that may have been removed from your account. The account balance is the total amount owed as of the statement date, and if you're receiving financial aid, you'll see details about your financial aid package under anticipated aid right here. Your bill also has a payment coupon on page 2 that you can print and include with mailed or in-person payments to make sure your payment is credited to your account and not somebody else's. If you're expecting someone else to pay your bills or charges on them, you'll need to send them an invitation from UCSC eBill ePay. As a UCSC student, your privacy is protected by the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, which restricts access to your information and records. This restriction includes financial information, which means no one but you is allowed to access your bills without your permission. However, when you send a payer invitation to someone, they'll be able to set up their own account on UCSC eBill ePay. Then they can view bills and receipts and make payments to your UCSC account. Other payer access is limited to eBill ePay and will not allow access to your MyUCSC portal. And now it's time for your next task. Choose and complete either task 2A or 2B, and either one will get you an entry into the raffle prize drawing during the first few weeks of school. Task 2A, invite a payer in UCSC eBill ePay. This task is for those of you who have an adult at home that will be paying either part or all of your UCSC bills. Here's how to invite another payer to set up their own account so they can see and pay your bills on UCSC eBill ePay. First, navigate to UCSC eBill ePay and tap the Send a Payer invitation on the overview screen. In the information bar, enter the first name, last name, and email address of the person you want to add. Then make sure the box next to Allow Access to Statements is checked. Add a little note if you'd like to, tap Send, and you are done. Your payer will get an email that looks just like this. Let them know to look for their email invitation and follow the instructions to set up their eBill ePay account. Making payments on your UCSC account is a whole thing, so we're going to cover that in another video later on in orientation. Here is your second option for a task for this video. Set up SMS text alerts in UCSC eBill ePay. You can complete this task if you don't have another payer to invite, or complete both tasks just for fun. When you're ready, start from UCSC eBill ePay, go to the My Account screen, and tap Setup under SMS notifications, enter your 10-digit phone number, including area code, and tap Continue, follow the prompts, and save. And if you have questions about bills, MyUCSC, eBill, ePay, or anything related to those, please come see us. The SBS Financial Service Center and the SelectSense Financial Wellness Program are both really happy to help. Here's our contact information. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.